passengers have disembarked, whereafter we will gladly come and assist you. May we kindly ask you to assist the cabin crew with turning the aircraft by simply crossing your seatbelts once you get out. Please also leave any leftover catering items or newspapers on your seat for the crew to collect after you have disembarked. Please remember to leave any infant or extended seatbelts on your seat for the crew to collect. We do realize that you had a choice of a few airlines for this flight, and we would like to thank you for making FlySafair your airline of choice. It was an absolute pleasure having you all on board today, and we hope to see you again soon. Your mobile devices may now be switched to normal mode. Please remember that we will be disembarking the aircraft 5 rows at a time, starting with 5 rows from the front and 5 rows from the back of the aircraft, moving towards your closest exit. Please remain seated until you are instructed by one of the cabin crew members to get up and disembark. Have a lovely day further. Stay safe, thank you, and goodbye. Attention flight attendants, prepare doors for arrival and cross-check.
Yebo le mvula le bekade ishaya isichaphaze kanjani. Amanzi obhanga